Going on, Family Black Fitness checking in. I got my argon cylinder here. I'm about to make a extra addition to my FabBoxxx where I can actually have my bottle on it when I need it to do the TIG welding, to do the aluminum or stainless welding. So right now I made this little platform. So this is gonna be like my plate platform, and I'm gonna make it where it can slide in and out, but it can lock. So once it get to a certain spot, it'll lock. That's what I'm gonna do. So my goal is to remove this and have it coming out where it can, you know, where to go in, and I pull it and then it'll stop at a certain spot. You see what I'm saying? That way I can be able to have a brace here for the bottom, and I put another clamp. So I got one on this side. I have another one that'll go around the bottle and clamp into this one. So that way I'm killing a few birds in one stone with using this unit like this. So that way I can kill a couple birds in one stone. So that's what I'm working on today, man. Utilizing my time around the house. Like I say, I want to get everything right. You know how I always say, if you literally stay ready, you don't have to get ready. And on your downtime, work on ways to make your business better, to make yourself more equipped, to be able to make money faster, to have no downtime, whatever the situation is. Use this time to do that. So this is a great time to work on whatever it is that you're trying to work on, physically, mentally, whatever. Utilize your time, man. Go on and knock it out while you got the chance, because the flood is coming. So get your ark ready, because once the gates open, it's gonna flood. And if you ain't ready, you're gonna drown. Oh, God.